I just watched Stranger Things episode. What the? No, this is not fake. I'm trying to eat it. I didn't even mess with it. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I just saw a reel of Eddie dying.